Hi, this is Elena and welcome to my channel. You're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 1. Like and subscribe. So let's begin. Today, the first tool that I think this is the most fundamental tool for starting to create your garment is a Polygon tool. Polygon tool, its shape is like this that you see here. You click on it. Its shortcut is H. So on keyboard you can press H. I can press H and it gets yellow here. Look. Some versions, if you click on the icons, you don't see their shortcuts beside the name. So that's why I'm telling you. And while you're designing, it's better to know the shortcuts so you can design faster. So for the first thing, you should left click. Left? Yes. You should do a left click. And then for continuing, just by clicking, you can make your shape just like this. And if you don't like the dots, the position of your points, as you see here on the keyboard, you can press backspace, you see, and you can delete them one by one. And then the next thing that I'm going to say is that sometimes you need measures. You need to give some measures and numbers to your lines. Like for example, for shoulders, we know it should be like 13 to 14 or 15 centimeters. So what you should do is to right click and this box appears. Here is length. Like I like it to be 15 centimeters. So here I insert 15. Okay. And so for some parts, okay, I press Ctrl Z. For some parts like arm side, okay, you can scroll up to zoom in. For example, I want a curve line. What should I do? I should click and drag without letting go my left click on the mouse. And it is like this. If you don't want your next line to be curved, you should click on the same point, on the previous point on it, not beside it. Then you can continue. Okay, usually for a sewing in the real world, our patterns are one fourth of our model. But if like you want to have the half of your dress in the same time, you can do this. Oh, I'm sorry. You can delete. Here I right click and here you have mirror creation. You turn it on and on the axis you choose Y. That makes it symmetric. In this way you can see how your pattern is going to be complete. So as you see, this is your pattern. And the last thing that I'm going to mention is that for creating a shape, you should always close your shape on the first point that you started with, like this, and then it will appear on your 3D window. Then you can customize and do some modifications that I'm going to tell you later. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, so bye.